Hey, good afternoon. This is Brad Langdon of MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I wanted to do a quick walkthrough with you on the Southbay 270 2017 model tri-tune boat we took in on trade. Looking forward, you see a U-shaped stadium seating. You have the JL audio upgrade forward speakers as well as your subwoofer and amp. You have armrest and the bolsters. You have a side entry door. Also have a storage compartment and a dash. 2 helm chairs. On the dash you have a GPS touchscreen. You also have a digital control 300 Yamaha on the back. Up top you have 2 JL can speakers for tower speakers. And moving backwards you see a really large bimini top on the tower. You have armrest in the back seats as well. You have a table mount that's removable. You also have 2 back couches back here with a rear entry door and a big tow bar. All accompanying the 300 horse Yamaha custom painted engine. That's the 27 Southbay. Again, this is Brad Langdon, Lake Norman, MarineMax. Come see us.